I was absolutely petrified of coming to a dentist. Before I would only ever come when there was a problem. So I think I had a really bad root canal or something that needed doing.
So I have not been to a dentist for 30 years prior to coming to Brightside Dental. I had an immense fear. I had a terrible experience back in 1989. So I decided not to go. I spent 30 years suffering with terrible teeth until the point where 2019, I thought I really do need to pluck up the courage and go to the dentist. I had a rotten tooth on the right-hand side that needed removing.
I've been a patient at Brightside for probably longer than I can remember. It's certainly into double figures, 10, 15 years, something like that.
And I've been a patient at Brightside Dental for, oh gosh, I can't even remember, so many years, at least 15 years.
It was because it was the local dentist, to be honest. That's when I first came here. What's kept me coming back is the standard of treatment, be it the dental treatment or the hygienist.
I trust Ketan so implicitly, and when I come for any treatment, it is completely pain-free, and that hasn't been the situation that I've had in the past.
He reassured me that he could remove the tooth and it would be pain-free. And I believed him. I did felt really comfortable. I felt he took my fear seriously. He spoke to me calmly, explained everything in full detail, answered all my repeated questions. And then I decided to come back and let him remove my tooth. And lo and behold, he was right, absolutely pain-free. And I've been coming back to the dentist ever since. And I'm happy to come here. I look forward to it.
My previous dentist, what they used to do was to just address the problem as it occurred. What I've found with Brightside is they preempt all of that. It's all preventative.
I've got a membership which I think has really helped. So initially, as I said, I only came when I was in pain, whereas now I come twice a year. And that has really helped, not only because I get a really good checkup, and it is a thorough checkup, but also it means that I've had less treatment because my gums are more healthy, my teeth are more healthy. We identify things, before it becomes a big issue. So everything's been much easier, much better.
I've joined the membership system because I like to see the hygienist 3 times a year. She will also tell me if there's a problem and I need to go see a dentist. I have a dental checkup. It's once a year. Whoever you see here, they are very, very professional in what they do, and also very pleasant with it.
Quality of care is amazing. Everybody from the receptionist, hygienist, the dental nurse, the dentist themselves, everybody's fantastic. If I need an appointment at short notice, they'll always make an effort to fit me in. The care is amazing. They really do care actually, and they make your visit worthwhile every time.
Every single member of staff here, they're so lovely and really look after, not just me, all the patients here seem to come in with a smile and go out with a smile. So I can't tell enough friends about how good they are.
Trust the dentist or the hygienist, whoever you're coming to see, just trust them. Yes, of course, sometimes it's a little uncomfortable. It's a lot better to have it done than live with the pain of not having it done. And that, as I say, that professionalism is key.
I really want them to take my word for it. This is the best place to come if you're nervous. You're not forced to do anything. You can ask as many questions as you want. You're not being a nuisance. I advise you, if you are petrified, this is the only dentist I recommend, which is Brightside Dental.
And that's something I've found always at Brightside. It's one reason why I do keep coming back, is because everyone here is so pleasant, as well as being professional. And I say well done and thank you to Brightside, because they've treated me very well for the last few years.
It's just a completely different relationship than I've ever had with a dentist before. It is the best place to come for dentistry.
It works well, so do it.